How to add a page in Word document. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a page in Word document. So let us get started. First of all, open up your Word document. After you open up a Word document, choose the file. I'm just gonna go to this test. Now right here, if you want to add a page, now if you want to add it down below, just head down to the end of the text, and there are many ways you can add a page. You can simply tap on shift enter or control enter and you'll get the document. Now if you want to not use that method, you can simply head over to insert, and after you tap on insert you will see the blank page option. Tap on blank page and there you go, now you have another page. Now if you don't want to use this method as well, you can just keep on pressing enter. Now as you can see, if I keep pressing enter, let me delete this page right here first. So as you can see right here, I'm here. Now if I keep pressing enter and while I'm at the end of the first page and hit enter again, the next page will appear. So yeah, those are the methods you can use to insert a page. Now if you want to insert a page on the top here, let's say that I want to insert a page above this, simply head over to the top here and then add a blank page. As you can see, there is a blank page on the top of this page. Now you can use this method to add pages in the middle too. Now let's say that I want to add a page between this and this. Now I head over to the top here and tap on blank page, and there you go. Now there is a page in the middle. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you add a page in your Microsoft Word without pressing the Control Enter key. So thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.